Okay, so the first step would be to create a discussion prompt that will be a place where people can upload their videos to. So I'm in Canvas, I just click discussions, and I would create a new discussion by clicking on the upper right, and I'll call this classroom video discussion. And please upload your classroom videos here. I'm going to paste some other text that mentions a way to, if they're going to actually upload them using their laptop, they want to use this button because that way the file size won't be an issue with our file storage. So then I would choose save and publish. Now, this address of this discussion will be a helpful thing for you to copy, and I'll explain why. Because once we get into the conference, if you just have that URL, people can go right to it. Okay, I just want to walk through the process that the students would take in order to upload a video into a Canvas discussion, and then you'll later be able to use that in your conference. So I'm in the Canvas student app on my phone, and I'm assuming I've already made the video on this phone. So now I go into my course and I look for the discussion that you will create. And let's say this is the discussion, and I'm going to hit reply. And then here you see this paperclip in the upper right. That's where you're going to add the attachment of the video. So it says add an attachment by tapping the plus at the top right. I'll do that. And here's the important step. You want to choose from library, because your video will already be in your library on your phone. So you'll see a folder called videos, and this will be all the videos that you have on your phone. So you have to look at the thumbnail images, and you should find one that matches. So I'll just take a random one here, very short video. It takes a second or two to connect. I'm going to click choose. Let's see, this is one that's in progress. I'm going to join it. You would schedule a conference for a particular time, and then students would just join. They do have to enable Flash, and there's a couple little things they have to select to get them in there. And so just be aware that Flash sometimes is a problem. Hopefully it won't be for your students. They're going to join by microphone. I click that. I have to allow the use of the microphone. They can do a quick audio test that seems to be working. And to share their webcam, they click up here, and then eventually all the webcams would appear in the lower left corner. So you as the presenter, there's a chat area on the right. This is where I suggest you put that discussion forum link. So click here to open the discussion forum to view the video. So what I would suggest, if you want to do the videos one by one, so actually here's the link, is what I meant to put in. So basically watch what happens. When I click this link to the discussion forum, you'll notice at the top of the screen a new tab will open. Okay, so now if you tell everybody, okay, now go in, watch the videos, obviously the videos would be here, and then tell them when you're finished watching the video, go back to our conference, which is the tab that has the big B. It's called Big Blue Button. And then you all will be able to be in here to have the discussion. Now, one thing that you can do as a presenter while they're watching the discussion would probably be a good idea to click this little settings icon and choose Mute All Users. And that is because otherwise you could have 5 or 6 people all listening to a video on their computer, and you could get all of that noise coming through in the conference. Say it's a 5-minute video that you've all watched. Once you think the 5 minutes is up, you would then go back to settings and you would unmute all users. And that would allow you guys to have a conversation. And so that's what I would do. I would just, go through them one by one, watch a video, have the conversation, say, okay, now everybody go back, to that link, which actually the tab will already be open. Scroll down to the next video, spend 5 minutes watching it, and you almost like have a timer for you, and you say when 5 minutes is up, we all go back in here and we have a conversation. So hopefully that will be a useful way to do it, and I'm happy to help out with any questions. Thanks.